Excuse me. Excuse me, miss. Excuse me. Hey, excuse me. Can you stop being so cute?
Alright guys, today let's see how much I can do. Yesterday I did 25. Today let's see what can be done. Guys, I did 30. 30 guys, 30. Let's see how much I can do tomorrow. Alright guys, I'll show you how to clean a chain. First, you need to buy a brush like this. It's called a chain cleaning brush. It is available in Amazon. Okay, see both ends are there. Put the bike on a paddock stand first. Then clean the chain with this brush. Rotate the wheel. On a paddock stand, the wheel can be rotated. The chain also rotates. So clean with this brush first, like this. Then after that, can you see this grip? Use it like this, and you rotate the chain. So all the dirt from the chain will get stuck here and it will be cleaned. After that, please use something called as WD-40. It has got a nozzle, so you can spray it. So rotate the wheel, so the chain will rotate, and you can spray it. Like this you can spray it. Try to spray it as evenly as possible. Then leave it dry for half an hour. After that, take a cloth and clean the chain. Rotate the wheel, clean the chain with a cloth properly. After it is totally dried, you can use this spray, Zoric 88, and then you can leave it. Your chain will be perfect, and it will be, the lifetime for it will be much longer. Okay, so guys, that's it for the day. Meet you all tomorrow. Subscribe, like, share, press bell icon. What else? Comment guys. And keep supporting me. See, this daily vlog I will end on the 21st day. Then I'll be only putting every week Saturday vlogs. Okay. So meet you all tomorrow guys for another vlog, another day. So dab salute from 49 Biking Biker.